Hello everyone, today I am going to share an inspiring story of a poor boy who faced failure, rejection, and endless struggles but never gave up. This story will remind you that your dreams are possible if you keep believing in yourself. So, sit back, relax, and let us begin. Rowan was born in a small village. His family was poor, but he had a big dream. He wanted to become a successful engineer. Every morning he woke up before sunrise, helped his parents, and then walked several kilometers to school. Many people laughed at him. They said, "Poor people can't achieve big dreams." Those words hurt him, but he never gave up. Instead, he worked harder every single day. Rowan studied under a streetlight at night because his house had no electricity. Sometimes he was tired, hungry, and discouraged. Still, he reminded himself, success belongs to those who never quit. One day, he failed an important exam. He felt disappointed and thought about giving up, but his mother smiled and said, "Failure is not the end. It is a lesson that makes you stronger." Those words changed his life. Rowan started studying even more seriously. He learned from his mistakes instead of fearing them. Every failure became a stepping stone toward success. Years passed. Finally, Rowan passed the engineering entrance exam with excellent marks. He received a scholarship and completed his education. After graduation, he got a good job at a well-known company. When Rowan returned to his village, the same people who once laughed at him now congratulated him. They realized that determination is more powerful than money or luck. Rowan did not forget his roots. He built a small library in his village so that children could study and dream big. He often told them, "Your baccalaureate round does not decide your future. Your hard work, discipline, and courage do." His story inspired many young students. They understood that success is not about being the smartest person. It is about getting up every time you fall. Remember, every great achievement begins with a small step. Don't be afraid of failure. Be afraid of never trying. Stay patient, stay focused, and keep moving forward. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English stories and learning videos. Thank you for watching.